Hello everyone, this is Raja here. Today we are going to discuss about a plugin called WP Reset. So WP Reset is a plugin which helps us to reset our WordPress page to the default installation. So why do we need that? So many a times it happens like when we developers are often experimenting with our site, doing hit and trials and experimentations and putting a lot of themes over it and initializing a lot of plugins and changing fonts, post and everything. And at some point of time it may seem like things have gone out of control and everything is like haywired. So we may think like sometime that it would have been really great if there would have been a reset button, which if we clicked, it can get us back to the previous WordPress installation. And this is what this plugin actually gives us. It just takes everything back to the default installation and makes us enable to start everything from the scratch. So let's see how it works. So just to install this plugin, you can go to the plugin section of your WordPress dashboard and go to add new section. And after you are into the add new section, you can just search for the plugin called WP Reset. Just click on it and you will get the WP Reset plugin. It's basically red and black color logo. This is the first one. The first one is the WP Reset. It's done by Web Factory Limited and it has more than 80,000 plus active installations, and you can see that it has like 4.5 rating, and it has more than 81 ratings. So it makes this tool a very trustworthy tool, and like all of the WordPress community is like already using this tool. You can kind of trust this tool, and we can go ahead and check what it does. So let's go back to our demo, and I have installed this plugin. You can just install that plugin from there, and after installation it will be like this. And you can click on reset WordPress and you will have this interface. So basically it has a reset tab or tools tab, DB snapshot, the support and IP geolocation. We won't go to much details, just come to the reset and let's see what it does. So in the reset, you can see that you have some details written over here, that what it does basically. For the reset, resetting will delete all your post pages, custom post types, comments, media entries, users, all default WP database tables, all custom tables, all custom database tables that have same prefix WP underscore has as default tables in this installation. So it will like resetting will delete it, and resetting will not delete all these stuffs. So you can go through this. Let's try it once. Like if I go to my site now, let's see how it looks like. This is how my site look like. You can see it's just a net new WordPress installation, and it is in the 2017 theme. Let's try something different. Like let's make something different. Let's go to the themes and let's like upload a new theme on it. I have a theme called Sharply here. Let's activate that. Let's get started with Sharply, and it had some recommendation. It has imported demo content. I will import those contents. I'll activate now, and I'll activate now Sharply plugin, Jetpack and Form 17. These are the plugins. Let import the demo content, and yeah, we are done. So after we are done, if we come to all pages, come to you'll see that we have these pages like privacy policies, and these pages which came through this active this Sharply uh, theme. Okay, So we have all these stuffs, and let's see if we have any posts here which are new. No, it's just the hello world post. And now see how our site looks like. If we just refresh this site, see our site is just totally changed. Like from the 2017 theme, it is went up to a very different theme. It has parallax, it has photos, images, and it had a contact us page. It has image carousel and everything. So suppose let's see, like if you are doing a lot of these stuffs, you are putting in different themes, checking out, and at one point of time you want to go back to your like previous version, or you want to reset everything. So what you need to do? So you just go back to plugin, install plugin, and you come back to a WP reset. Now you can see that after doing that, installing that theme, we have all these Jetpack and Sharply Companion and Contact from 7. All plugins are activated. So let's go to reset WordPress and let's reset it and see what happens. So to reset it, you just need to type reset here, and you just need to click reset. It will ask for a confirmation. You will give the confirmation, and it will start the resetting process. The resetting process generally takes a very small time depending upon the amount of data you have. Since we have very small data currently and it's a net new installation, so it won't take much time and it will be done very much sooner, and it is done now. So after the resetting done, if I go back to my site, which was looking like this some moments ago, and I refresh it, it is again back to this 2017 theme. So it's a very easy way of doing it, easy way of resetting our WordPress tool. It may be beneficial to some of you who are experimenting with the sites again, want to come back, or you are doing some teaching lessons to some students. Maybe you are experimenting or showing something with the sites, and after you are done, you want to again go back to the ground zero and from probably want to start again. So it basically doesn't deletes any plugins here. You can see that all the plugins that were installed, stays there. They are just deactivated. There were options like you can keep them in like active also in the WordPress. Like after it is reset back, they may be active. You can also reactivate the theme that was there. So there are a lot of options. You can play around with it, and you can like see which option suits best with you. There is another DB snapshot tab down here, which basically takes a database snapshot at a particular point of time, and say if you want to go back to that particular time after a few days or few months, you can just restore all those database tables again back. So what you need to do for this creating a DB snapshot, you just need to hit create new. uh, I just need to create new and click on create snapshot, and your DB snapshot is created. So you can see that your DB snapshot is created, and this gives you the information about what is your DB snapshot is all about. If you want to restore it, it's very simple. You can click on this restore icon, and it will be restored. It gives you do you want to proceed, and you can just hit it like this and it will be restored. So you can just restore the same DB snapshot when you want. So it is not done like this, but if you like taken a snapshot today and say after a week you want to restore it back to the snapshot what it was today, you can do that. So it's a very helpful tool, maybe for some of us. And if you are like teaching someone, or if you are like experimenting a lot with WordPress, this tools helps a lot. So WP reset is a good one. So let me know your views about this plugin. Put in a comments your suggestion on the comment box. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. We will meet again till the next video. Till then, bye bye.